Hello everyone, my name is Henry. I am from Wonder One class today. I will have speaking test for Unit 3 and 4, Academy Star 1.
All right, Henry, tell me who is in the picture. Tell something about her or him.
She is my mother. She likes to cook. She is my grandma. She She likes to watch TV. She is my sister. She is she likes to sing. He is my daddy. He likes to eat. He is my brother. He likes to play.
Okay, so here, look at the picture carefully. Tell what feeling or emotion is shown in the picture. Then, make one complete sentence about it using the correct feeling.
She is happy. She is sad. He is angry. She is scared. He is hot. He is cold. She is hungry. He is thirsty. He is tired.
Okay, so here you will answer the questions with yes, I am or no, I'm not. Are you tired?
No, I'm not.
Are you hungry?
No, I'm not.
Are you hot?
Yes, I am.
Are you thirsty?
Yes, I am.
Are you scared?
No, I am. No. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.